I just finished doing a number of turnings and realized that I think my tailstock and my spindle are slightly off center. Sure enough, they are. Not much, but what happens is that over time, with the various vibrations, these can come loose. For me, this had the tailstock mounting had just gotten a little bit loose. Heights shouldn't have changed. This is meant to be able to, this piece turns, you can see all the numbers on here. It's meant to be able to either offset it intentionally or to correct for minor alignment. So I'm just going to get this right up close. Looking down on it first, you get a perfect alignment. And I got to tighten each of these set screws slowly as they do move it along the way. Oop, don't want to be careful to not tighten it into the wrong position. Alright, is aligned at the top, and it has set maybe, I don't know, a 64th of an inch vertically. I'm not even sure I can get it more accurate than that, but I'll give it a shot. It's got these screws on the legs of the tailpiece that I can just loosen. Get the tailpiece set exact. Then tighten it. And lower the collars, the stops to their spots. Tighten them up. Reset these two collar stops. They was off maybe a 64th of an inch horizontally. But now you can see it is right on horizontally. Oh, and that change moved it vertically. Excuse me, moved it horizontally. I reset it horizontally. That moved it just a little bit. This vertical view, so let me double correct that. Be careful not to strip those. So, okay, I reset the height of the tailstock by loosening this knob, getting it the right height, then adjusting these two collar stops, and I adjusted the tailstock by loosening these two set screws, rotating this till I got perfect alignment looking down, and now these are perfectly aligned. Again, using my live center and this center on the spindle. And now I am good to turn and get the best quality center.